vaccine is 65.2% effective against emerging Delta variant. Italy beats Belgium 2-1. Incoming Amazon CEO to receive $200 million in stock. Puerto Rican man aged 112 is declared the world's oldest. Hi, my name is Gurbani Jaggi and you are watching World Youth Media Daily News. 1. 23-year-old innovation turns your helmet into a navigation device to prevent accidents. 3 engineering students, Milmid Manoj, Pradeep Parthash Sarathi and Riya Gangama from Ramai Institute of Technology, Bengaluru have successfully come up with an innovative device to keep riders safe while also assisting its navigation. 1. Andhra girl to make it to outer space. Sirisha Bandla, born in Guntur, she is a part of Virgin Galactic, a leading American private space agency that will launch its spacecraft next weekend. She will be the second India-born girl to go into the space and the first Telugu girl to do so, as she is set off to take on Virgin Galactic's winged rocket ship from New Mexico on July 11. Monsoon session of the Parliament to be held between July 19th and August 13th. With COVID cases dropping in India, the monsoon session of Parliament will be held between July 19th and August 13th. Both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha will hold the sessions simultaneously with minimum presence of officials, staffs and media to ensure social distancing. The timings will be usual 11 am to 6 pm with both 0 hour and question hour included. A large number of MPs have already got vaccinated. The world's oldest living man is Puerto Rican. Guinness World Records confirmed. The Guinness World Record announced the world's oldest living man is 112 years old. Emilio Flores Marquez was born on August 8, 1908. As the second oldest of 11 children, Flores started working on his father's sugarcane farm from a very young age. As his family's firstborn son, he was also in charge of carrying out household chores and helping to care for his siblings. Microsoft's blue screen of death changes colors for Windows 11. Microsoft is changing its famous blue screen of death to black in Windows 11. It has started testing the new design this week. Microsoft changes to black screen of the death to match with the new black logo and shutdown screen. 1. Amazon to grant incoming CEO Andy Jassy over $200 million in stock. Amazon placed to award incoming chief executive Andy Jassy more than $200 million in extra stock, which will pay out over 10 years. Amazon will record the grant of 61,000 shares on July 5th, the filing said. That's the date Jassy succeeds Jeff Bezos in the online retailer's first CEO transition since its founding in 1994. 1. Euro 2020. Italy beats Belgium to set up semi-final clash against Spain. Italy beat Belgium 2-1 in their quarter-final clash to qualify for the semi-final of Euro 2020 in Munich on Friday. England vs Sri Lanka. IPL has helped Sam Curran enormously, says England coach Graham Thorpe. England's stand-in coach Graham Thorpe said that playing in the Indian Premier League has enormously helped Sam Curran to evolve his game.
Hey!